Hello handbag lovers, I am here with two Dooney Bourke unboxings, some cute inexpensive pouches that I picked up from Amazon, and some new bag straps to go with my purchase from Dooney Bourke. I think you'll be very excited to see what I have in store, so thank you for joining me and let's get started. Okay, let's get started. Let's start off with this big box first. This is from Dooney Bourke, as you can see. And what I would like to share is, a new work bag that I picked up. I was inspired by a recent video that I did myself, and I also saw that this bag was on sale, so I thought it would be a wonderful time to get myself a new one. And this is none other than the Dooney Bourke, never can get rid of these boxes fast enough. This is the Dooney Bourke Editor's Tote. So you may recall from a prior video in which I shared the best work bag to start your collection. I had indicated that this is one of my favorite work bags. This is the Dooney Bourke Editor's Tote, and it is in nylon. She is in the color navy blue, and she, as you can see, has the leather trim on the nylon. And I really love this bag so much because it met all of my requirements for a work bag, including large enough to fit my work laptop, sleek, perfect for every day, work carry. And this canvas material, or this nylon material, feels kind of canvasy and it's very sturdy. She does come with a strap, and I shared in my prior video on the Editor's Tote that I thought the strap was way too small, so I needed a larger strap, a better strap, and I used the strap off of my Editor's Traveler Tote, and I shared that in the video. So as you can see, this isn't very long at all, and the straps I purchased from Amazon were to solve that particular problem that I had. So I shared the details on the Editor's Tote in my prior video, so I won't go into too many details, but as you can see, she is very pretty in the nylon. She has the Dooney patch on the front. She has a key keeper. Her measurements are, give me 1 second here. She is 14 inches in height. She is 1 inch in width, and she is 13.5 inches in length per the Dooney website. This bag is currently on sale at Dooney.com, and the only color they currently have available now is the cranberry color. It's the same material, so it is the nylon tote. So if you think that this is something you would be interested in, you may want to head right on over. So again, to keep it moving, let me share with you the straps that I got for this bag from Amazon and the accessories. So first, let me share with you the accessory piece that I picked up to go with this bag. Now, I have been on the hunt for a tech top case. If you guys follow DJ King's channel, she loves those tech cases, and she has a very nice collection of them and lots of pretty colors that she recently shared in a video. And I have not been able to find any of those. I did see one that I think was similar on the Dooney site, but it was in red pebbled leather, very nice, but it was $118, and I just didn't want to pay that much. I'm not sure if it's actually the same thing because it's not called a tech case. It's actually called the Nylon double zip wristlet. So this is in navy blue. This is in navy blue in the nylon, just like the bag, so it matches the bag. It has that top zip similar to the tech cases. In the inside, take the stuffing out of here. It has a zip pocket. It has the Dooney and Bourke patch. It also has 6 credit card slots. It has the leather zipper pull tassel. And then it also has a wristlet strap. So, and let me show this one. This is also a tassel leather zipper pull. So it has another pocket to fit additional items. So for this particular nylon zip wristlet, it's style number XB0174NV for navy, and it is 5 inches in height. It is 1 inch wide, and it's 8 and 7.5 inches in length. So again, I got this to match the editor's tote. And who is going to be cute at work once they open back up the office? This girl. So looking forward to carrying that, and I can just drop her right into this center zip if I so choose to keep her safe. And she matches just perfectly. So that's the tote. And I didn't share with you, but the editor's tote style number is 1N0346NV for navy. Okay, so let me get into the straps that I purchased, because you will see in my other video where I shared the editor's tote that I was using a strap from another bag, and I thought, let me see if there's something else. Not that there was anything too wrong with the strap I was using. It just didn't match as well. So I got this strap off of Amazon, DEVPSISR, to wear with my bag, and this way it matches perfectly, and I get over the issue with that small strap. So this, as well as the package that just fell on the floor, is also the strap, but they're in different colors. And I'll share that too. So this is the strap that I got to go with my bag, and I hope it matches good enough anyway. I think it'll look better than the strap that I was using. It does have the gold hardware that matches, which is really nice. So not a perfect match, but I guess good enough. Let me show you the other one that I purchased so you can see the color on that one. I thought it might be a good idea to just have several. This one is in black, so if I have a bag that maybe it looks better with black. And then the last one, this one is, I don't quite remember, so that's why I'm, oh, this one's in red, so the same thing. So lots of options for my bags in the future. This strap, it has the leather on the top, and it does adjust. It adjusts from, I believe, from 28.5 inches to 51 inches. So I can adjust this strap to make it shorter or longer. I'm not sure if I might even try the black with this bag. I won't try the red, but you get the point. So those are the straps. And then finally, what I wanted to share with you today is these cute little pouches that I picked up. And they were so inexpensive that I couldn't resist. So as you can see, it's just a little pouch. And what I've done with these, they actually are $5.97 for 4. So that makes them about $1.50 per pouch when you look at it. So, and they come in some really cute fall colors, as you can see. And what I wanted to use these for is for a pouch for sanitizing items that I can just drop in my purse, or I can leave them in the car, or I can actually give them to my kids, my husband, my grandson, just so they have it handy. This is made out of a 100% canvas, and it is 100% washable. They all have like these cute little pictures and sayings in French, I believe, which I don't know what they actually say, but I thought they were really cute and perfect for, that's one of the Eiffel Tower in gray, perfect for the purpose. So in here I have a regular cloth mask, I have 2 disposable masks, I have some wet ones, I have some alcohol wipes, I have a small jar of hand sanitizer, and then I also have some plastic gloves. The cute little blue and white stripes on the inside too. Actually, it's black and white. So I thought these would be great to just hand out to people, your family members, keep them in the car or whatever. And because it's so inexpensive, it's easy to just give it away. But the fact that they're washable is also very nice. I can see keeping these just in a basket in the front of my house by the door, so when people leave out they can grab one or whatever. I also saw on the website that they have these a little bit cheaper, believe it or not, for $5.39 for 4. That makes it about $1.34 per. They have these country settings, so it's flowers and gardens and really cute colors. The reason why I picked these up though is because they have this little, I guess, piece on it sewn in that I can attach a clip. So again, if I wanted to hand this to my husband or to my grandson or my son, they can just clip this on their belt if they so choose. I actually got these clips off of Amazon as well. So if you're interested, I will put a link at the bottom. So that makes them easier to carry and keep on your body. My grandson could even put it on his backpack if he wanted to, or my daughter. I also bought these purse chain extenders. So if my daughter doesn't want to use this clip because it maybe not as cute, she could use this handbag extender, which I also got off of the internet, and it's off of Amazon, I should say. And I could also use this too if I wanted to clip it to my bag. So I'll put those in the description as well. But I just thought this was such an inexpensive, cute way to keep these for easy access. So again, I will put the information in the description, and then just wanted to share also that when I checked today, they didn't have many of these left. I got two sets because I thought they would be great for fall. Just perfect little sacks here, or pouches. So that's the video for today. That includes my editor's pouch and my nylon double zip wristlet, as well as some really cute straps that I got to match my work bag. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for joining. Thanks to all of my subscribers. I appreciate you very much. Thank you to the new as well as existing. If you haven't subscribed, I ask that you please do if you enjoy videos such as these. So thank you again for joining, and I hope you have a great day. We will talk soon.